Because it's a Sunday morning, getting in touch with nature. It's a rainy Sunday, so I could not go running. I could not go hiking. So I thought, let me come this way and enjoy this beautiful nature. We are blessed to be here. Such great views. The birds are singing. There's a lot happening down here. Actually, let's start picking some avils. Let's pick some avils. Surely there are avils that fell from the tree last night. And there we go. Okay, here you are. Looks like you've been here for days. Goodness. And there's another one. Here you go. Thank you, Avo tree. You are so beautiful. Oh, here's another one. Okay. Let's see. Thank you once more. Thank you. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Mother Nature for creating all these good things. Our food, our food, our food. Hey, such great life. Such great life. Such great life. It's the good life. It's the good life. Trust me, this life is great. Trust me. It is a good life. My goodness. I thought there'd be just a few. Now I came down and this is what I got. And yeah, we're going to enjoy these fresh, very nice avo.